In this video, I will show you how to highlight text or paragraphs, a feature that can be very useful. Let's get started. First, open CapCut and tap on Create New Project. Next, choose a color red, green, or any color you prefer and drag it over the paragraph you want to highlight. After that, go to the blend option and select darken. Now you will see the text is clearly visible. To make the highlight dynamic, we will apply keyframes. Head over to the mask section and choose mirror. Make sure to rotate it to a 90-degree angle. Move to the start of the paragraph and add a keyframe. Then expand the color, highlight fully, and add another keyframe at the end. And that's it. As you can see, the text is now highlighted with a smooth effect. If you found this useful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.